Hey guys, what we have today is a video that I'm gonna go present to you guys. This is a pretty good tip that I've been using for some time now on how to get rid of ants. Actually, it's like a ant killer. And what all you use is baking soda and some form of sweet substance that you mix with it. And what I've been using, you can use anything you want. You can use syrup, you could use actually brown sugar, white sugar, honey, anything of that nature. But the thing is, when you sugar, it tends not to mix very well with the baking soda. So what the ants will be pretty smart, and they'll go ahead and separate the sugar and the baking soda. So you don't want to do that. So what I suggest is use something like molasses or honey or syrup, something like that, that will actually stick to the baking soda. And this is going to be a real quick video just to kind of show you what I use and how to basically put it together. I'm not really going to show you all the steps. I'm sure you guys want to see it. That's pretty easy to do. So what you would need, of course, is some baking soda. And then you want some form of, like, I'm using, like I said, molasses, but you could use syrup or honey. And then what I'm using, this one you see is a honey jar, but I'm actually using the jar to put the mixture in. I still have some remaining honey in there. This was actually finished, but we didn't get all the honey out, so it's great to use as a jar for, to use it outside to go ahead and attract the ants and, kill them. So now, first thing you want to do is use some baking soda and whatever mixture you want to use with it. Now, I would suggest doing one third of baking soda to whatever mixture. So I would say 1/3 of the mixture, and then of course 3/3 of the molasses. So, or like I said, syrup or whatever you want to use, honey. And then when you mix it up, all you're gonna do is put it in a mason jar like I did here. This is already pre-mixed. So what I did, I used quite a bit. So I did 1/3 of the baking soda and then 3/3 of the molasses. And I mixed it up pretty well, as you can see. Mixed up really good, because you want to mix it up so that it won't separate. Okay? And then what you want to do at this point is, now see with this jar, if you could see, hopefully, you see the holes I put. You don't want to put a lot of holes, just a good amount. I put actually, I think about 6 holes on here. You can see all around the rim. Now, the reason why I did it this way is that when I leave it outside, see, I lift the cap on so that if it rains and things like that, it won't go inside the mixture. And then I put the holes kind of, if you can see on the side, it's underneath the little bump. So if it does rain, it's going to go over it. It's not really going to soak inside. So that's kind of a good idea to do. You can use any type of container, water bottle, anything that you can actually puncture a hole in. Of course, you don't want to use glass. And you don't want to put a hole on the top. Because you put a hole on the top, and if it rains, it's going to go inside your mixture and it might not even be very effective. So just put holes around the sides, nowhere around up here, just on the sides. And that's basically it. And I'll show you how it looks inside. It shows up well on camera. Okay, see, I just kind of dripped a little bit in there. See if you can see. Just kind of roll it around the rim. So it kind of entices them to get in there. And then the great thing about it is that after they go in here and, take it back to their little camp, whatever they call it, then you can reuse it. You can reuse the container again. And you have some extra mixture, just seal it up. This mixture you don't have to put in a refrigerator. I'm sure it's fine just to close it up. We use a mason jar, so it keeps it pretty airtight, so it won't draw ants into the house. And this idea was really for outside, just before they could get inside the house. I'm sure you could use this mixture inside the house, but try to get them outside, get it over with and done, and you'll be good to go. Okay, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a pretty quick video. Just FYI, great hack. Hope this will help you out. And if you like this video, please give it a like. Go ahead and subscribe so you'll be notified with any other videos that come up in the future. And also, forgot to mention, Sorry about that. But this is what I use. Just a little pick. Whatever you could use. Just don't want to make it too big of a hole so waters don't go in. So sorry to do that kind of late, but that's basically it. Go ahead and give it a like, subscribe, and go ahead and share this video to someone else that you think might find it informative for them. And please leave a comment, because I'd really like to see if you guys did try this tip and if it worked for you. If it worked, great, let me know. And if it didn't, also let me know. Maybe you could go ahead and find maybe some other solutions to make this more effective for your situation. And hey guys, if you know some other tips to kill ants, please leave in the comment section below too. Help everybody out in the community. So, thanks again for watching our video. We hope you have a blessed day. Until next time, bye guys.